coming to the numbers, I'm just taking an example of an insurance company.
Okay.
They might start with a budget of 20K per month in terms of utilization of the cloud infra, but then they stretch up to 50K per month. So if you imagine, you are actually for a year, you are making, it's a big amount, right? So it's a recurring business for the big players.
Got it.
For the smaller ones, they will have one like yearly retainer fees, license fees. But what they do is they will make money based on the volume. So it's different model. So number of records that they process, they charge on that. So initial slab is like 1 million records. Then for every chunk of 1 million, they keep making additional amount, right? So they have to be very calculated of what they really do. The third one is the code migration, right? As I said earlier. Now in the code migration, they go by lines of code.
Okay.
Right. So how much they are converting, how do they audit the conversion? That's more important, I think. So they don't have a recurring business there, because you will have a set of, let's say, 4,000, 10,000 scripts that you will move to cloud. But big players will always have that recurring money. They might part.
Got it. So probably then if I try to flip it, Prashant, as of now, how many products in the data space you might be actively partnering with? I'm sure you would have historically would have signed so many partnerships which may not be active, but probably in the last financial year or in the last 2-3 years, right? So very active partnership. And within that, how many are the mid to small category would be there?
It's an excellent question, because we have a pyramid of these partnerships. And as you said, right, in the data space, I would say at least every fortnight I see a new partner reaching out to us, right? And they might be funded by likes of Snowflake or Databricks also, right? So basically, if I look at the pyramid, on the top, we have all the hyperscalers and Snowflake and Databricks. Those top 5 are always there. The tail is longer, but then we have consciously taken the decision to focus on specific vendors. I'm not going to name them, but in the space of data management, which is very, very important. Basically, that's the base of, or the foundation of any data engagement, right? How do I do catalog? How do I do lineage? So in that, I can take the names of the products like, in MDM space, we have Atacama or Reltio or Semarkey, Prophecy. There's so many products. So we are looking at the client base, like what is their liking, and which of these products are really cloud native. So either they are built on clouds, or they are actually connected with some of the hyperscalers in a very tightly coupled manner. Like I'm checking an example, Azure Purview is a native service for data governance in Azure, right? But with that, which product in the MDM space works very well? So that way,